Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites. Make sure your phone supports the carrier bands and aggregation features required for faster speeds. Once done, update the phone firmware and install a modern SIM or eSIM that supports 5G or the highest LTE category. Next, go to a large open window or higher floor and note the signal strength in dBm. This gives you a baseline. Finally, enable airplane mode for 10 seconds, then re-enable cellular to force a fresh network attachment, and start the optimization process now. Now continue by configuring the network for performance. Go into cellular settings and select the highest available mode such as 5G or LTE with carrier aggregation. Make sure the phone isn't restricted to 3G. Once done, access the operator testing menu or a trusted app to identify and temporarily lock the strongest band or band combination, for example, NRN78 or LTE B3 plus B7, so the radio prioritizes the best spectrum. Also, verify the carrier APN is correct and stop background sync that eats throughput. Finish by validating changes. Run sequential speed tests and note which cell, band, and time give the best throughput. Once done, if speeds remain poor, reboot the device, test with a different carrier's SIM, or disable Wi-Fi to force all traffic over mobile, then retest outdoors where line of sight is better. If problems persist, capture signal metrics like dBm and SINR and provide them to your carrier so they can check backhaul or sector issues. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals network-side bottlenecks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.